Says Busi invests 1,000 rand at an interest rate of 10% per annum compound interest. Calculate how many years it will take for this investment to be worth that. Right. So, based on the information we have, okay, the person invests 1,000 rand, which is your P. Okay, the interest rate is 10% per annum, and we need to calculate the number of years. The future value there, that's A, it's 1,610 and 51 cents. Okay, so for that question, we use the formula A equal to P times 1 plus I raised to the power of n. Our A is 1610,551. That's equal to 1,000 times 1 plus 0,1 raised to the power of n. The objective is to calculate the number of years. So from there we get 1610,51 over 1,000 is equal to 1,1 raised to the power of n. So our n, depending on which method you want to use, whether you want to apply logarithms or you want to convert the exponential form to logarithmic form. I'm going to convert the exponential to logarithm. So this is going to be my base. So it will be a logarithm of 1610,51 divided by 1,000, like that. What answer do you get? Right. Okay, before you round it off, are you sure that it's an exactly 5? Yes. Exactly 5? Some of you are quiet. Okay. I hope that you don't need to. I hope that it doesn't have any decimals. Because if it has, you have to round up to 2 decimal places. Okay. So, I hope you got that. Right. If you are not doing the work, don't worry to bite you back soon. Okay. Then number 2. Okay. Number 2, I have to do it on the next page. Right. So, a new car costs 375,000, right? Calculate how long. Okay. Calculate how long. That means you have to calculate the time period. How long it will reach a scrap value of 176,344 and 70 cents. So I'm talking about scrap value now. What is scrap value? What's the definition of scrap value? If you were to go to the mall, as soon as you enter, right, you see someone who works in the supermarket there, like say check maybe you can call it what is it called? Check what? Checkers, yeah. Right, you get to checkers, and maybe there is a hamper there with some nice goodies and stuff like that, and they ask you, can you tell us what's the definition of scrap value? Oh. What would you say? Yes. Not really. Book value. Yes, yeah. Yeah, but then, how do you distinguish between scrap value and book value? Because your definition also applies for book value. How do you distinguish the two? Yes.
Isn't it the price of an object after it's ended its useful period?
Yes. So it's the value of an asset at the end of its useful life. When you decide, say, I don't want to use it anymore, it's almost towards the end of its life. When you sell it, whatever amount you get is called the scrap value. Now, the definition of scrap value and book value, they are close to each other, but book value now does not consider the end of the useful life of the asset. Okay? And both of them, they include what? They are due to the depreciation. Okay, so our formula for that one will be A equal to P times 1 minus I raised to the power of N. Okay, it's very important for you to know which formula to use. Okay, so the car costs 375,000, so that's our P. Our spent value, that's the value of A. And our interest is 9% per annum. So I'll put here 176,344,70. And then the P value, that's 375,000 times 1 minus I is 0.09. Okay, 0.09 raised to the power of N. Right, we want to find N, so that would be 176,344,70 all over 375. That's equal to 0.91. Am I right there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then for this one, let me change from exponential to logarithm. It's your choice. So N is going to be equal to the logarithm of this 176,344,70 over 375,000 to base of what? Of 0.91. Okay, I prefer to put that in brackets. Right, so if you simplify, what do you get here?
7.9999.
7.999.
There's 6 nines and 1 8.
Okay, so this will be approximately 8 years. Okay, if you round off to 2 decimal places, it will be 8 years. Did you get that? All right. I hope you are marking your work. Right, let's carry on. Now, I don't expect any one of you to have challenges with questions like this. Okay, I don't expect you to have any challenges. Right, I need to move on. Right, then I gave you homework number 2. Right, I just want you to write this in your book because I didn't tell you the source of the question, because I don't want people to look at the memo to do the question. So you marked your work, you didn't know where the source was. Okay, so probably you struggle to see whether your answer is right or not. You are going to see now. All right, this question was from a department paper, that's July